Today we are working on Excel Lesson 8, the second lesson, replacing data. On the Home tab in the Editing group, so Home tab, the Editing group is over here. Click Find and Select, and then click Find. In the Find What text box, type United, and then click Find Next. Click Find Next several more times and observe which cells are selected. So you see every time you do that it moves to wherever the cells are. Showing you how to look for a word. Go to the next step. In the Find and Replace dialog box, click Options. Displays all the options. Click Match Case. Check that box. And then click Find Next. A message box displays we couldn't find what you're looking for. Even though Excel did not have any difficulty earlier looking for the word United, none of the cells contained the word United in all lowercase letters. So when we click Find Case, we were only looking for United with no capital letter. Click OK to close the message box. Click Find What, and change the value to search for United, and be sure to capitalize United. Click Find Next several times and you can see that it's finding those in capital letters. Delete United and replace it with Spain in lowercase. Click Match Case to turn that off, and then click Find Next. And you'll see that it finds a couple of different examples of Spain. Click Match Entire Cell Contents to turn it on, and then click Find Next several times, and it only finds it once. Click Match Entire Cell Contents to turn it off. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. In the Find What, type X, with a lowercase x, and click Find Next several times. Finds all the words containing the letter X. Click the Replace tab. In the Replace With, type ZH. And click Find Next. Click Replace. Instead of using Replace, you could click Replace All to replace all occurrences in the worksheet at one time. So click Replace All. Excel has completed replacing all specific text occurrences. When the message box displays all done, we made 3 replacements. You see that right here. Click OK, and then click Close. Mark as answered. Submit. I exited without submitting. I'm going to go back. I did it right. Hopefully you won't click that button, but this completes replacing data.